Rudy's Barbecue, the worst barbecue in Texas. Backdoor guests are best. Help wanted. If you're awesome, please apply inside. Awesome! So we've come to Rudy's to have some barbecue. Nick is taking us all out and treating my family as well. So that's very cool. Here's their menu. So here's their menu. It's very simple, but they say it's really good. We'll see.
Thank you.
So they do everything in pints and quarts. Wow, that's a lot of food going on right there. Yeah, and they weigh it by the pound here. They do it by the pound, right? Wow, almost $200. That's an expensive dinner. That's a lot of meat going on. Thank you. Gonna fit here? Oh, here comes the main course. Here, let me move this.
I'll go get my drink.
Is it not a pop top?
Do they give you? They don't give you plates either. How do you eat this?
Wax paper.
Thank you. Ooh, real grape soda.
Is it knee high?
No, it's got cane sugar instead of high fructose. These are the plates here. You use the rice papers. Oh my God, let me see.
Oh, here's our plate. I see.
Yeah, those are the plates. Well, there's some meat. Let me see that one. Open that one up. So she's opening this up so we can take a look at all the meats, what you saw. Yeah, I just opened this one right there.
Turkey. That was turkey.
Oh, ribs and brisket. There's a lot of meat going on in there. Here is our plate. Here's the famous Rudy's barbecue sauce. It's like $9 for this big old thing right here.
Look at this plate.
I know, right?
Little things for your meat.
I will be in a food coma.
Look at my plate. Good God. Cream corn, pulled pork with slaw, and also more slaw, potato salad, brisket, turkey, and some beans. Oh my God, there's just too much to eat.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, you're going crazy with that sauce.
Heck yeah. Barbecue.
Jake, well, did you do that?
Nope. I shook it upside down.
Ooh, fancy limousine just pulled up. This is good. The pulled pork is good. Everything's good. It's all good. How's the ribs?
Good.
We have a fire truck.
Still beers over here.
That's funny, I used to say this all the time. Your mother is not here. Please clean up your own mess. I'm so full. That was delicious. The beans were okay, but everything else was so good. My favorite thing was the cream corn. I had 2 helpings of that. Yummy. And still plenty of leftovers. With a big bottle. Thank you, Mick.
Thanks for hosting us again.
Oi! Oh my God, I'm stuffed.
Sounds invigorating. Okay. Call you later. There's that stomach.
Bye, freakoids. We'll see you back there. Yay!
See you back in the house.
Maybe tomorrow.
Look, every yard in Texas needs a horse. Yeah, my uncle's going to make me a hitch for my bike so I can put it on the front instead of on the generator because I have to take my bike off every time to get to the generator, and it's a pain in the butt. Go ahead, yeah.
Okay.
He's just cleaning up the hooks right now. Yeah, it smells weird.
Well,
And it's all clean.
I gotta grind it back up when I get done with it.
So there are bolts, and he's going to hook them to bolts underneath the bumper, but he's only cutting it this far down because the bumper comes to there. So now time to weld it on.
Like my line. That's hot.
Yeah.
A little bit anyway. Why aren't you in there where I want you?
So my uncle had installed these hitched stands. Well, actually, just the brackets for them. So that way they can put, what are those things called?
Scissor jacks.
Yeah, scissor jacks, and then it'll hold the back end up.
And you love it.
Awesome. That way they can level it out like a deck.
Should have done them while they're on. It's easier actually.
Whether the batteries are messed up in it or not. This one's automatic. Oh. That's why I don't trust
See, and it goes up and it levels it. It works. That's good.
Cool.
Nice new deck. Alright, he's getting ready to weld. Come into the light, Carol Ann. Come into the light.
You hear the difference in the welder from the last time I welded?
Yeah,
It goes
this one- right.
That don't do that.
Right.
That one don't play around when it's on its welding. What? Why is everybody a big blue thing? Oh.
So now they have a nice deck. How do you like your deck, sir?
I like it.
I like
a
it.
nice big deck to sit on. Why don't you come sit on my deck, see how it feels?
No, I'm good.
No one.
Scott, you go.
You can come too, Terry. There's room for two of you on
That's
my
all
deck.
right. I got my own deck to sit on. Thank you.
You missed him.
What do you do?
He was jumping around like a little kid.
Are you behind bars?
No wonder why we're all these fucking anxiety medicine. And, you know, I told him, just going to these VA appointments, don't just pop in for appointments. This starts a week out. I start getting nervous, anxious. I know everything's a fucking fight with you people in the circus. You wonder why you got me in so many fucking kills.
Right.
The prices were better.
Right.
And Cowboys and all
What you
that.
wagging your tail at, Moo-moo, huh?
Cowboys, I wouldn't put
But
any,
it
I
was
wouldn't give them
even
any money.
just that holding tank was $200. That wire holding tank.
Back to welding.
Dump toe.
Welding a crossbar on the bottom for support.
We looked at a Northland and we had a Northland.
That's
So
what got rent. That's what got rent.
it was our Northland, and the guy's like, I go, wow, yeah, you got a Northland thing, and had it. And I think it was like a slide works and everything. Or maybe the slide was open.
Hey, Moo-moo. I don't think you even realize
That tells you how much
What you
money
doing,
they have
huh?
to play with.
Little cutie.
Exactly.
Is that everybody, that's what
You
I
comfy,
looked for.
meow
I
meow?
looked for
Are you
over
comfy?
2 years I've been
Yeah.
deciding what I wanted and looking, and that's why I decided on getting this. I couldn't
Where's the
find
meow
one
meow?
that wasn't built out of tape.
This is where the mount is going to go, right here. And that is the bolts they're going to connect to. There's one there and one down there. It's going to be a pretty sturdy bracket. Keep in mind it's only going to hold my bike, which is not heavy at all. It only weighs 60 pounds. This is where I was keeping my bike, just placed on top here and strapped down, and it's been working really good. The only problem is that if I need to get to my generator for any reason or anything here, I have to take the bike off just to get to anything.
Let's see if this works now.
What happened?
Don't worry, shut us on that. It's upside down. Let's go this way.
So that lip is actually going to rest on the bumper, and then it's going to be bolted in, so it's going to be in pretty secure.
So I can mark it.
Right, and we got it up in there, but it was a pain in the butt. We still have to drill the holes, take the bolts out, and then put the bolts back in. seeming to be quite difficult.
Are we in the
Here,
middle?
I'll hold the light so you can hear.
Are we in the middle?
Yeah, that looks like the middle because it's in.
Or not quite.
Oh, it needs to come over more.
Dip out in the middle. I can see it now. Okay.
Are the brackets lining up with the bolts?
Oh yeah, the bolt's right in the middle of it right there.
Oh, cool. Okay.
That's okay there. See the bolt is right in here.
Right. Marking it now.
And then how far in is the bolt? Bolt right there. The bolt's actually in the center. It should be in the center down. That's where I marked them right there.
Right.
Somebody marked them once.
Now we have to get this thing back out.
I don't think that's gonna be much of a problem.
You don't think? Okay, so it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be
No,
to
it's
get
not hard
out.
to get out. It's,
Yeah.
it's not too bad to get in now. We know how to do it.
So it took some finagling and he got it in. It is bolted and secure. I'm really pleased with that. That it just is great. Thank you, Uncle Lee. He's so awesome. Now all I have to do is buy a bike rack and I'll be set. Thank you. I got no cussing.
Alright, I guess I'll eat some of this first.
Peach cobbler. I didn't get to try when we ate the barbecue. Okay.